Hi guys, this is Sasha here, and in this video we're discussing about the different strategies that you need to have in mind when creating content. So the first one is basically that your content should be intent focused. When you're creating content, you need to know what do you want from this content, and in this way you create your assets that you use 24/7 on different marketing channels. Now, after that, you need to know that the customer should have or your content should follow a certain path, and through that path, the prospect is able to follow easily. After that, make sure that the content that you're creating is cross channel, which means that whatever asset or whatever content that you're creating should be present on Facebook, on Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. But over here, the tricky part is that the content should be molded according to the channels that you're posting on. And basically, the intent will not change, but the content on which the channel on which this content are being posted, it will be molded accordingly. Now, moving on, our content should be avatar based. What this means is a perfect content marketing asset are produced to satisfy the intent of customer's avatar or personas. There are different free resources available that will help you to create a perfect persona of the customer that will buy your product or service. Over here, for creating a persona, you need to have the proper research in place. And again, after that, we need to have a content marketing plan. So, when we talk about the content marketing plan, the first one that we write about, or that could be in a document, this content marketing plan could be in a document or could be in a spreadsheet. So, when we talk about the first step that we want to write about or want to research and want to plan about is the marketing funnel. We already discussed the top of the funnel, the bottom of the funnel, and in between the middle of the funnel, and what each of these funnel facilitates. Now, after marketing funnel, we discuss about what our content will be and which avatar will it target. After which, we discuss about the sources, or you can say the vehicle, whether it would be text, whether it would be a video, or whether it would be an audio asset. Afterwards, channels. What channels will we post our content on? And the last is the essential part. What will be the CTA used for these assets? CTA is basically call to action, where you invite your customer or your prospect to take a certain action. So, moving ahead, now after that, you have created a marketing plan. Now that we have discussed about the marketing plan and the content marketing strategies and this, the next thing that we have to consider is basically is the metrics that we are going to employ to know whether our content marketing strategy has been successful or not. So basically the first metric is the traffic. So the first success metric is the traffic by channel. At the top of the funnel, you design your marketing to raise awareness for your business, brand, and product. So you measure traffic from channels like Google, Facebook, or Twitter, any other channel that you're using to promote your business. Now, the second is the conversion rate. And the conversion rate is basically calculate the traffic that is generated and the lead that we have been formed from the product pages. So, guys, this was a bit about marketing plans, different marketing strategies, and the metrics that can be used to evaluate whether our content marketing strategy was successful or not. So, I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.